Welcome to Goalie's Parent Control Dashboard, aka the Care Team app. Here's where you'll set up and manage everything on your kid's Goalie. Polly, Penny, Petey, and Puffy will guide you if you get stuck, just like they'll be guiding your kiddo on their tablet. Real quick, let's talk about why we have two apps. Since our skill-building tablet is meant to build independence, we don't want to force it out of your kiddo's hands. Need to change a routine or add a reward? Do it from this app, not their device. As long as Goalie is connected to Wi-Fi, it'll reflect the changes that you make. All right, let's get started. First, you'll want to download the Goalie Care Team app from the App Store and either sign up or log in. When you log in, the first thing you'll see is your, well, very lame status. Level up by following our tutorials and instructions. Trust us, this is the fastest way to learn how Goalie works and how to customize it for your kid. Want to change the general settings of any app? Just tap the gear icon here. You can hide any app that you don't want your kiddo using by toggling it off. Below your status, you can explore and customize all of the apps on your kiddo's Goalie device. The apps are split into 3 categories: life skills apps, language apps, and fun and motor planning apps. If you want to nerd out, you can also see a bunch of cool stats about the apps your kiddo's using by tapping here. Did you notice that chat function at the bottom? We're ready to help you out at any point if you need support, strategy ideas, you name it. Okay, here's every app on Goalie explained in just a few minutes. Let's look at the life skills apps first. Routines. You can make visual schedules, checklists, first ends, and reminders, all with your own videos, photos, and audio prompts. Rewards. Create custom rewards that your kid actually loves. Points and stars are integrated throughout all of Goalie. Behavior tracker. Create rules that give or take away points for things that your family's working on, like not pulling your sister's hair. TV. Control tons of fun videos to teach your kids new skills, like taking out the trash or tying your shoes. Weather. Set your address and let Goalie suggest outfits based on the forecast of your location. Stylish doesn't have to mean flip-flops in a blizzard. Timer. Our visual timer will help your kiddo with transitions. If they don't like the ticking sounds or animations, you can change those here. Day schedule. This calendar shows your kiddo any routines that are scheduled throughout the day. Help. If your kiddo ever gets lost, they can use this digital ID app to non-verbally ask a grown-up for help. Add your info here to make sure they get home safe and sound. Okay, let's take a look at language apps. Word Lab. This language learning app teaches core words and AAC in a gamified way. Here, you can control the settings and get notifications about your kiddo's language progress. AAC Talker. Our talker helps nonverbal kids communicate. Choose a custom voice, add custom words and folders, and upload your own photos. You can also change the voice speed and click sensitivity. The goal here is that you never have to take away your kid's voice to change anything on their talker. Just change it all from the Care Team app. Surprise! The TV app also helps with language. Finally, let's take a look at our fun and motor planning apps. Game Garage. Set time windows and limits for Goalie's fun video games. Petey the Penguin will gently remind them when time's almost up to help them with the transition. Balloons. This finger dexterity game helps build fine motor skills needed for using an AAC talker. Change the size and speed of the balloons for your kid at any point. Puzzles. Kids win puzzle pieces as they finish routines. It helps them stay motivated and improves finger dexterity skills. Switch out the sounds for the puzzles at any time. And yep, you guessed it, the TV app also has a ton of simple, fun, kid-friendly videos. You never have to worry about kids watching something unsafe, or getting on social media, or even browsing the web. Is YouTube a goner? Uh-oh. Just maybe. Want to know more about a specific app? Drop us a line or chat message. Otherwise, what are you waiting for? Download the apps today.